Hi friends, today we are going to discuss our first chapter, Generations of Computers. In this chapter, we will learn computer generations, types of computers, advantages of computers. Generations of computers. First generation computers were made up of vacuum tubes. They were very expensive, huge and complex. They have a lot of drawbacks, and some of the drawbacks are slow in processing, less storage capacity, consumed large amount of electricity and produced loads of heat, used machine language programming. Examples: ENIAC, UNIVAC, IBM 650, etc. So first generation computers were made up of vacuum tubes and they were very expensive, huge and complex. Okay. Next is second generation's computers. They used transistors instead of vacuum tubes, and the programming languages such as COBOL and Fortran were developed during this period. Some of the features are had higher operating speed, manufacturing cost was very low, size got reduced. Example, IBM 1401. So when compared to first generation computer, second generation computer had higher operating speed and manufacturing cost was very low, size got reduced. Third generation computers. Third generation computers were made up of integrated circuits. A single IC has many transistors, resistors and capacitors built on a single thin slice of silicon. Higher level languages such as BASIC was developed during this period. Some of the features are size was greatly reduced and the processing speed was high. Semiconductor memory devices were used. More accurate and reliable, mini computers were introduced in this generation and it used higher level and it used high level language for programming. Example, IBM 360, IBM 370, etc. So third generation computer were made up of integrated circuits and its size was greatly reduced and processing speed was high. Semiconductor devices were used, more accurate and reliable. Also, higher level language such as BASIC was developed during this period. Fourth generation computers. They use large scale integrated circuits called microprocessors. Later got updated with very large scale integrated circuit VLSIC. Okay. The computer that you see in your school is a fourth generation computer. These are called microcomputers or personal computers. Okay. So fourth generation computer use large scale integrated circuit. Some of the features are they use microprocessor as their main switching element and their size varies from desktop to laptop or palm top. They have a very high speed of processing and are accurate, reliable, diligent and versatile. They have very large storage capacity. Example, IBM PC, Apple, Macintosh, etc. So the computer we are using now is fourth generation computers and they use large scale integrated circuits and the computer you use in school is a fourth generation computer. Size varies from desktop to laptop or palm top. Okay. These are the modern computers using microprocessor. Fifth generation computers or future generation use artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the technique with which a machine is able to think and take decisions like human beings. It uses ULSI, which is ultra large scale integration chips, which is the future generation computer. Types of computers. On the basis of its configuration and usage, computers can be categorized into four: microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Microcomputers are usually single user computers like desktop and laptop. They are relatively inexpensive and largely used by small companies, schools, and individuals. Mini computer. It is moderate sized computer used when desktop computer is not powerful enough to do the job. It is used in medium sized companies or universities. Mainframe computers are large computers with fast processing speed and access to billions of data items. They are used in banks, government organizations and large corporations, often with many users connected over a wide area network. So this is desktop computer, which is a microcomputer, and this is mini computers, which is used in medium sized companies, and this is mainframe computers, which is used in banks, government organization, large corporations. Okay. Supercomputers are computers with multiple processors built to minimize the distance between points for very fast operation. It is mainly used for scientific and engineering applications such as weather forecasting, climate research, oil and gas exploration, etc. This is the image of supercomputers. It has multiple processors to minimize the distance between points for very fast operation. Okay. Next is, on the basis of working, computer can be classified into three categories. They are digital computer, analog computers, and hybrid computers. Digital computer is a computer that performs calculations and logical operations with quantities represented as digits, usually in the binary number system. It is an electronic computing machine that uses the binary digits 0 and 1 to represent all forms of information. Next is analog computer. Analog computer is a computer in which numerical data are represented by measurable physical variables such as electrical voltage, fluid pressure, mechanical motion, etc. So analog computer is a computer with numerical in which the numerical data are represented by measurable physical variables such as electrical voltage, fluid pressure, etc. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are computers designed to handle both analog and digital data. They are also known as analog digital computers. Okay, it is a combination of analog and digital data. Advantages of computer. We know computer is an electronic machine. It has a lot of characteristics. Okay, so first advantage, let's see, speed. Computer can work faster than human beings. Okay. Second is accuracy. Computer can work very accurately without errors. Third one, storage. Computer can store a large amount, a huge amount of data. Versatility. Computer can perform different types of work at the same time. Means multitasking. Okay, these are some of the advantages of computer. Okay guys, so I hope you all understood, and that's all about this chapter. Thank you.